how many jobs is AI going to replace in the next few years? It's a really difficult question to ask. And it's a really difficult question to answer as well, because I don't know what the answer is, but it is going to replace jobs, and it's going to be a significant number of jobs. And the jobs it's going to have most impact on are jobs in knowledge industries or knowledge-based jobs, because the type of AI that we've got in our hands right now is language-based AI. And language-based AI is really about dealing with stuff that's in words and is about dealing with knowledge, therefore. If you're in one of those knowledge industries, remember probably three things that actually when you talk to business leaders right now, they still massively value problem-solving skills. Because actually, the AI that we've got right now is not great at problem-solving. Probably the AI we've got for a few years is not great at problem-solving. They massively value creativity and the ability to come up with esoteric ideas. So that comes from knowing lots of stuff. So that's really powerful as well. And they massively value attitude. It's really weird to say that, right now AI doesn't come with attitude. It just kind of gets on with some stuff. But attitude has positive and negative, and attitude that is about going beyond, it's a massively powerful thing, and it's still hugely important. And remember those things as you are skilling yourself up and changing your skill set and learning how to use AI, because that's the other part of it. With those three things and AI at your side, whether it's co-pilots, whether it's analyst, AI buddies, whatever it is, then actually you go from being a human to a superhuman, rather than, if you're not learning how to use the tools, then you're just becoming a human that's trying to compete with superhumans. There will always be rafts of jobs that AI never touches. And some of those will be for good logical reasons. You're not going to go and watch an AI rock band. You're not going to go and watch it, buy an AI painting. I just don't think you are, because you're not going to attribute the value to the thing that the machine made. There are going to be many jobs that AI augments. And those are going to be the interesting ones. And hopefully they'll be, the AI will be doing the boring bit of that job, leaving the human there to do the exciting bit of the job. And there is a responsibility that sits on the shoulders of me, on the shoulders of anybody that's in AI, on the shoulders of government, and on the shoulders of all employers, to help people go through this change. And from a government point of view, there is a proper decision to make about in whom the economic value that comes from AI should be vested. Should it vest entirely in the people who bring the capital to AI companies? Or should it vest in the people whose data has been used to create the AI? And that's a challenge that only governments can get their heads around.